To open or register an account, this is the website that you have to use. There is a link on the description below or in the comment section below. Check the comment section below or the description below and click the link so that you can come to this landing page. And when you're done, you click on open an account. Click on open an account. There's a link on the description below or in the comment section below to register an account and have an account with IC Market. For us to be able to use IC Market cTrader, we have to open an account only and only if you are a new client. You have never registered with IC Market. Only if you have never registered with IC Market, this part is for you. If ever you have an account, jump the step so that you can get to understand what you need in order for you to have the IC Market cTrader logins and be able to open the account under IC Market cTrader, right? This part, if you have an account with IC Market, jump it. Don't even try to look at it unless if you want to learn something, then it's okay. This is for only those who are new, have never registered with IC Market, they don't have an account. This part is for you, right? With IC Market, they recommend that you deposit $200. It's a recommendation. You can deposit as low as $1. However, you need to understand that when you're trading, you need to have the margin. So margin is the money that you will need, and counting it, there'll be a link in the description below for you to learn how to count it. All right? So it's going to be fast and simple. Registering, opening, fill up your personal details, which is here, the country. So I'm going to use the demo account name that I'm going to use. IC Markets. IC Markets. cTrader. cTrader. IC. Email. IC Markets. cTrader 2@gmail.com. Remember, you need to use your real details. You need to use your real details. Here, I want to make an example for you so that you can be able to see very fast how we do it. All right. So we go to step number 2. Step number 2, tell us more about yourself. Here you choose individual, joint, corporate, but we choose individual because you're one person. If you want an Islamic account, you choose as Islamic account, and then we put a date here. So let's put 25 February, and remember, only if you are, let me do this so that you can be able to see until the value should be between 1932 and 2004. So if you are from 2005, you're not going to be able to open an account. So we're going to choose 2004. Address. I'm just going to use my address that I know. All right. Okay. And then right now, since things are like this, we have postal, which is zip code, and then you put the zip code if you have it. If you don't have it, you leave it like this, not available. Okay. And so in this case, I'll say put like this. And then ID is optional. You can choose the ID number, which is national ID, and then from there you are done. You click next. Okay, let's confirm our details here. Individual. You can even choose joint only if you are working with you want to work with, like, as a joint, as a group, or you are working for a company as a corporate. All right, or your company that you're gonna have. All right, so from there we choose next. Okay, and choose next. If you don't find your address, you search it, and then from there you are done, and then we go to next. On next, we have platforms, MT4, MT5. We start with MT5, and then we go to MT4. We go to cTrader. We want cTrader. If right now you want to trade we trade using the MT5, you can choose MT5, and then account, you choose raw spread account, which is the ECN account. Raw spread account is ECN account. It's a zero spread account. This account has a tight spread, has a lower spread. A spread, if you don't understand it, it'll be in the description below. It has a lower spread, meaning that they're only gonna charge you commission. Okay, this is a good account. This is the account that I'm using. Even on the MT4, you can still choose a raw spread. On the cTrader, we have spread only. Choose account type, spread, raw spread. Okay, and then you select account-based current. Account-based current is the account that you're gonna be having whenever you are trading. Just like me, I use GBP. So on my platform, I'll always see GBP. Why? It is because it's the base current that I'm using. And if I'm depositing money, the money will be converted to GBP. If it's from ZAR, it's going to be converted to GBP using the current rate. The money is going to be traded using the current rate to change to GBP, and then I'll be having GBP. I can withdraw that money whenever I feel I want. Okay? All right. So we are done here. Next. And then security questions. These are the security questions that they ask. What's your first pet name? Okay. Remember, these ones are for you so that you can be able to see trader. Declaration. Okay, let's see where do I declare. All right, here, declare, and then press next. All right, additional information. This information, they need it so that they can make a profile of you, or they just want to know what kind of a trader you. Okay, so employment status, you put whether you're a student, you know yourself, so you just put whether you're a student. Investment amount, you know yourself too, but you just can choose from 0 to 20K, which is in USD. Intended purpose and nature of transactions. This is where they ask you about the business that you want to do on the forex exchange market. What kind of a business do you want to do? Okay, don't get confused here. Speculative, this is about you thinking like, okay, you're speculating, like you hear me saying that it's a buy and then you buy. We are speculating. Hedging, it's when I say you buy this side and then you sell this side, we are hedging. Investment, we know we're investing, just that we are holding, we are buying or selling, we are holding. Risk management is like we are there to manage our risk and make at least profit. Diversification is when right now you're looking for a correlation. Let's say you're trading two things, or you want to trade two things. You're looking for a correlation that is this current pair correlating with the other one. That's how you are trading in here. So for me, you can choose investment. And then what's your annual income, which is 0 to 50,000. What is your estimated net worth? Is 0 to 50,000 next. Okay. Trading knowledge. I have experience trading forex contracts for different CFDs or other yes. What is your forex trading beginner? You can just put you know yourself. What's your forex trading experience? You can put experience. They're asking about your experience. Derivative products are suitable as part of investment objectives and risk appetite. Therefore, I'm able to assess the risk involved in trading them, including the possibility of losing all of my invested capital. And yes, I have experience and qualification relevant to financial services that help me understand that the risk associated with using your services and trading derive. I have experience, see? So you say yes or no, but choose yes, so that you can have the account. Yes. Choose the way that I choose here. Yes, and then we go to submit. All right, so now we can upload our ID. We can upload our proof of resident. Proof of resident, you can upload your bank statement if you have it. If you don't, because here they're showing you use utility bill, phone, internet bill, bank statement. So I prefer bank statement. And then ID number, the ID card, you can use the ID card here. And then from there, you can just browse the ID and then upload it. From there, they will complete later fund now. Okay, this one is just, they're going to give me a temporal account. So when you're done here, uploading, the account will be verified. And then from there, you will have an account. All right. Okay, so now let's check the deposit. Deposit is simple. We have fund now by safe charge. Safe charge, it's a deposit method where you can deposit without being charged. Then it's instant, it's free, and you can also withdraw the money very safe, with a safe charge. And then after that, you can be able to use other platforms to withdraw. Okay, and then withdrawal is the same. They have even information here. You can go through it and read it and be able to see. So right now, let's check our account. We have our temporal account, which is the account which is temporal account. Let's just open a demo account. Let's open a demo account for us to. Let's just choose a trader, and then account type is raw spread. It's a USD. You can choose any currency that you like. Leverage is 1:500, where we can choose our 1:500. Initial deposit, we can choose an amount, and then we proceed. They will send you the details using your email that you have used. The email that you have used is the email that you're going to use to log in on the IC Markets cTrader platform. Okay, to get the platform is simple. You go to downloads here, you click on this icon, go to downloads, and then from there you move like this. Okay, scroll, and then we have cTrader for desktop, we have for web, we have for iPhone, we have for Android. And then for Android, you come here, you click on the download icon here, and then do download for you. Once you're done with the downloading, and then you can be able to log in. From there, you have your account, and then right now you can verify your account if you want. And then right now you are having an account with IC Market. If ever you are having an existing account, it's the same procedure. Simple. You just come here on the account, and then you can open a demo account, or you can open a live account if you have a live account. But now you can see right now we have our cTrader account. Okay, be blessed.